Hi guys, this is Laura Hunter and we're going to do a little tutorial on how to use anchors. Now I know these have confused people a little bit. They're like, what are they? Are they to make your lashes bigger? Are they to hold them upright? Are they to keep them on? Here's what they're really for. They are to sandwich your natural lash so that even if you're in a windstorm, they're not going anywhere. Now you can use plastic tweezers, these are the ones that we make, or you can just use your fingers, or you can use any tweezers. Just be careful. Most tweezers are magnetic, so just be really careful not to get too close to the magnet because it'll just whoop right on there. So this is very easy. You just hold it by the little hairs, just like that. And you just touch it under another magnet. So I'll do one more. Let's grab one of these. Okay, we'll do this eye. Straight. And they tend to just find their own way. So it's very easy to put them on.